Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our series on starting your business with zero investment. In our last episode, we explored the Fund of Funds for Startups, FFS, a government initiative that supports venture capital funding for startups. But what if you're not a startup looking for VC funding? What if you run a small or medium business and need financial aid, technology upgrades, or training to grow? That's exactly where the MSME Champions Scheme comes in. This initiative, launched by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME, Government of India, is designed to help MSMEs become more competitive, adopt new technologies, and grow in global markets. Let's break it down. What is the MSME Champions Scheme? The MSME Champions Scheme is a government program that provides financial assistance, grants and subsidies for MSME development, technology and innovation support to help businesses adopt new tools and machinery, easier access to loans and credit facilities to boost market opportunities, skill development programs to train MSME employees, digital transformation to help MSMEs shift to online platforms. Basically, this scheme empowers small and medium businesses with the resources they need to scale up and compete globally. Key components of the MSME Champions Scheme. This scheme is divided into three main subcomponents. MSME Sustainable (Z) certification. What is it? Helps MSMEs achieve zero defect, zero effect (Z) certification, which means producing high-quality products with minimal environmental impact. Benefit: grants and incentives for MSMEs adopting eco-friendly manufacturing practices. MSME Innovation. What is it? Supports research, development, and intellectual property (IPR) registration. Benefit: financial support for MSMEs working on new products, technology upgrades, and patents. MSME Competitive Lean Scheme. What is it? Helps businesses reduce waste, improve efficiency, and adopt lean manufacturing techniques. Benefit: subsidies for MSMEs that implement cost-effective business strategies. If your MSME is looking to improve quality, innovate, or adopt efficient business models, this scheme is for you. Who can apply for the MSME Champions Scheme? Any micro, small, or medium enterprise, MSME, that is, registered under Udyam registration on udyamregistration.gov.in. Engaged in manufacturing, services, or trading. Operating as an Indian entity, proprietorship, partnership, private limited, LLP, etc. Compliant with GST, income tax, and other regulations. Not eligible. Large enterprises, above MSME classification. Businesses not registered under Udyam registration. If your business is officially registered as an MSME, you can apply and get government support. How to apply for the MSME Champions Scheme? Step 1. Register as an MSME. Go to the Udyam registration portal udyamregistration.gov.in. Apply for Udyam registration number, earn. Step 2. Apply online for the MSME Champions Scheme. Visit the MSME portal www.msme.gov.in. Select the relevant subcomponent, Z certification, innovation grant, or lean scheme. Fill out the online application form with your business and financial details. Step 3. Submit required documents. Documents needed: Udyam registration certificate, business PAN and GST details, bank account details and financial statements, project proposal for innovation grants and technology support. Step 4. Application review and approval. The government evaluates your application based on growth potential and eligibility. If approved, funding, mentorship, or technology support is provided. That's it. Your MSME can now access government funding and expert support to scale up and compete globally. Why should MSMEs apply for this scheme? Grants and incentives for business development. Technology and R&D support to boost productivity. Training and mentorship for MSME owners and employees. market access, and easier credit facilities for growth. If you own a small or medium business, this scheme is an incredible opportunity to get financial aid and improve operations. Where can you apply? Official MSME portal www.msme.gov.in. Udyam registration udyamregistration.gov.in. Make sure your business is registered under Udyam and apply for government grants and incentives today. What's next? The Biotechnology Ignition Grant, BIG. Now, here's something even more exciting. We've talked about funding for MSMEs, but what if you're working on a biotechnology or healthcare innovation? That's where the Biotechnology Ignition Grant, BIG, comes in. In the next episode, I'll tell you how BIG provides up to 50 lakh rupees in grants for biotech startups. Who is eligible to apply for biotech funding? The step-by-step application process for this exciting grant. And tell me in the comments, if you could improve one thing in your MSME, what would it be? Let's discuss. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing.